Hello everyone, I'm Janvi Sandhu from
Is it
Team
audible now?
Thunderbirds, and today we are going to present you the problem statement that we received and how we
Is it audible now?
Yeah, absolutely audible. Yeah.
formulated
Yes.
ideas to solve it. Hello everyone, my name is Pratna Sharma and I'll be presenting some of the points during the presentation. Hello everybody, my name is Shariyu and I'm from Team Thunderbirds. Hello everybody, my name is Yashvi Shah and I'm from Team Thunderbirds. We from Team Thunderbirds regret that we're not able to present this Saturday, mainly due to exams and schools and classes. The events have taken an unfortunate turn, but we hope that you thoroughly enjoy our presentation. The problem statement that we received was that we had to make a car that would not get stuck in traffic, but there were some restrictions on it. We couldn't design a flying car, a car that swims underwater. We could not change the infrastructure of the roads. So to tackle the problem, we did research and came up with solutions. Now, how exactly did we come up with our ideas? Well, we used several research platforms, including online surveys and face-to-face conversations with some of our users. Once we tried to understand the problem in depth, it was easy to come up with the solutions. After we came up with many ideas, we had to select the best ideas. So we decided to select the most practical ones. We chose to work on the following four ideas. The first idea that we came up with was elevation in the car, which is inspired by Hulk because he is known to be muscular and strong. The next idea that we came up with was a VR headset, which was inspired by Spider-Man because he is the friendly neighborhood guy. The third idea that we came up with was the SOS system, which was inspired by Captain Marvel due to her need of protecting her family members and friends. And the last idea that we came up with was a chatbot, which was inspired by Black Widow because of her sensitivity towards other people. In the prototype that we designed, we researched in great depth on each of these ideas and we came up with a workable one. The first idea that we chose to work with was elevation. Elevation is a simple concept and like its name suggests, it allows the car to raise to a height of more than 6 feet. The car can move over the rest of the cars in cases of traffic and emergency. The metal bars used for elevation would widen by approximately 1 foot on each side and this would increase the car to a height of up to 6 feet. This is a relatively new solution and we believe that the panel would appreciate it because it's quite simple to install. This is how the car would look like if it were installed with the idea. The next idea that we came up with was an VR headset. So virtual reality VR headsets are used every day today. So they are head-mounted devices which are widely used to play video games, but we decided to take a twist on it and install them in cars. The main goal here is to create what appears to be a life-size 3D virtual environment to pass time in traffic because we all know how boring car journeys are when we face traffic. And the added feature is whatever way you look, the screen mounted to your device follows you, which makes it convenient for you. And you also have the feature of selecting the world you want to explore and enjoy your time in the traffic completing. And to install it completely, an estimated cost of rupees 5,000 would occur. This is an interesting solution because this keeps passengers engaged and helps improve their mood. So the next idea is the SOS system. This system would help to contact emergency services, give the cause of activation, time of incident, vehicle identification number, and give GPS coordinates by using the GPS system, which would be placed above the car. In times of emergencies, after we press the button, the latitudes and longitudes of the car will be sent via the GPS system and an API controller should be installed in the car which will send these latitudes and longitudes to the relief center.
The GPS system would also inform the driver about the traffic density and give alternate routes to take. This system would notify other drivers on the road to take routes to avoid traffic. So to install it completely, a cost of approximately 10,000 rupees would incur.
So the next idea that we came up with was a chatbot. So a chatbot uses a state-of-art AI technologies and is flexible to integrate into any communication platform. The chatbot would be placed between the dashboard and the steering wheel in the front panel. It is able to sense traffic and direct us in a route which has less or no traffic at all. This solution prevents boredom for the driver and passengers that allows lifelike conversations to take place. So this is a model of how we have placed the system inside the car. So the chatbot would be placed in the front panel next to the steering wheel. The SOS button would be placed under the chatbot, and the virtual reality headset would be placed in the dashboard next to the chatbot system.
We thank you all for being an amazing audience and watching our presentation. We really hope you liked our ideas. Thank you.
Thank you.